Brought to you by Duralast.
A stop-start starter is not just a conventional starter doing more work. It's a different component designed for a different operating environment. On a vehicle without stop-start, the starter might only crank the engine a handful of times during the day. It fires the engine on a cold start, maybe again after a fuel stop or quick errand, and that's about it. On a stop-start vehicle, the starter may be called on repeatedly in traffic, at stoplights, and during short idle events. That means the starter has to survive a much higher number of engagement cycles over its service life. Because of that, the internal construction is different. Stop-start starters are built with heavier duty bearings, more robust gear sets, stronger engagement mechanisms, and brush and commutator designs that can handle more cycling and more heat. Some systems are also designed for faster engagement so the engine can restart with little delay when the driver releases the brake pedal. In some applications, the starter may begin preparing for engagement before the engine has completely stopped rotating. That is a completely different job than a traditional starter, where a slight delay in cranking is usually acceptable. Technicians also need to look at the starter as only one part of the system. A stop-start vehicle is calibrated around battery condition, charging strategy, battery monitoring, and restart speed. Most of these vehicles are equipped with an AGM or EFB batteries because a conventional flooded battery cannot tolerate the repeated cycling the same way. If a battery's state of charge, type of battery, or battery registration is wrong, it can affect stop-start operation and place additional stress on the starting system. Replacement part quality matters here. This is not a place for a cheap starter that only looks correct on the outside. A low-quality replacement may bolt up and crank the engine, but it does not mean it can handle the cycle life, engagement speed, and heat load of a stop-start application. If the brushes, solenoid, drive assembly, or bearings are not built to OE level standards, the part may create repeated failures, slow restarts, drivability complaints, or stop-start disable issues. The same goes for the battery. Installing the wrong battery technology can create system problems even if the engine still starts. Stop-start starters are engineered for repeated restarts, and the replacement parts have to match that design. Remember, diagnose the entire system, verify battery condition, and use quality parts, or the comeback might be built into the repair.